What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Sean. In today's video, we're going to unbox the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So let's get into it. All right, so right off the bat, let's take a look at the box. So very minimalistic for Apple. If you have any of the recent iPhone models, you know that they don't give the charger backs in there anymore, and so they're doing everything they can to go green and be eco-friendly and cut back on waste. And so they do have the little eco green icon here. I forget the exact term for it, but I remember in the keynote this is their symbol for like eco-friendly green something or whatever. So this watch is going to be eco-friendly. It's going to be minimalistic and nothing really special about the box. You've got the classic watch across the front with the Apple logo, but it is just a basic standard paper cardboardy feel box to it. On the back, we've got the wording, kind of tells you what comes in the box. You've got your barcodes and IMEI and important information there. And then you've got the kind of classic penguin nub flaps here to open this up. So let's go ahead and open. I will say it is still they do a great job of the experience when opening boxes. So this is still a very great experience when you open these flaps, just like the classic Apple Watch that you get. Still get that great feel with the Ultra. So go ahead and open it. As you can see, we've got more of this terrain design on the box. So now the box and the packaging really starts to look good here once you open it. So this is pamphlet that comes over the box. So when you open it, the way it lays, it's picture perfect, where it matches with the rest of the road, as you can see here. And take out these items. The backdrop here to the box. So really great job on the box. This is a really nice looking box, but we're going to set this to the side for now. In there, you've got your pamphlet, right? Which kind of tells you a little bit about the Apple Watch, breaks down the new features, the action button. If you're new to the Apple Watch Ultra, this will be important information for you. If you had the Apple Watch Ultra first edition, you're probably already accustomed to the action button. But your basic kind of user setup, startup guide tells you about the buttons and some of the key features of the Apple Watch Ultra 2. So I do like the pamphlet, and we've got some more instructions in this back flap, but overall like the presentation of putting it in like this little folder. Definitely feels premium that you get this, but I like this. So we'll set this to the side. All right, and then we're left with the two boxes that were packaged together. So we've got our Apple Watch Ultra in here, and then we've got the band that comes with it. So I'm not big on the bands per se. I like to get the products in my hands, and so I don't even remember which band I got. This might be, looks like it's the Trail Loop. So I just wanted to be able to get my hands on the product, and so I got the Trail Loop, but I really just wanted the watch. So I'll end up getting a band that I really want later, but just for the sake of being able to unbox it and get my hands on the device, I was okay with the Trail Loop that we have. So I'll open the Trail Loop a little bit later, set that off to the side, but let's get into Ultra. So here we go. We've got our beautiful little classic flaps that we know and love from the Apple boxes, the little green arrows. So go ahead, rip those off. All right, got those off. Sticky little things. Put those over there. And we will unbox this thing. So they got the airtight. So one thing I really enjoy about Apple is they do a great job of air tightening these boxes. Same here with the Apple Watch Ultra. All right. And here we have the body. Go ahead and rip off this plastic. And here we go. The Ultra 2. Get that action button. Pretty. That's nice. So here's my first look at the Apple Watch Ultra 2. The watch head. Here's the back. All right. So we'll set that there for now. That's the watch head. Let's see what else comes in the box. There's no charger back of any kind, but let's see what they do give us. They do give us the cable cord. So we've got our USB cable cord here, and we've got our, this one's really locked in there. I'll just rip it. We got our MagSafe for the back. So our MagSafe. So no charger back, but you do get a cord. So if you have Apple Watch Ultra 1 or you have another Apple Watch already, you may already have one of these. You may already have a back that you're using. Most likely going to be interchangeable, but if you didn't, this is your first time getting an Apple Watch, you're going to get this, but you won't have a brick that you'll need for this. So you will need the brick, but that is all that comes in the box, is the cable cord and the watch. So I'm not going to set this up in this video, but I will go ahead and just see if we can power it on. We get that classic Apple. All right. There we go. We've got the prompt. So I'm not going to set it up in this video, but similar to all the rest of the Apple Watches, when you power it on, you're going to get the prompt to pair it. But big screen real estate. I'm liking the action button, the orange accents on the crown on the action button. And I have the iPhone 15 Pro Max, so I'm part of the titanium family. So just having the iPhone in titanium, the Apple Watch to kind of match that titanium, just that really luxurious look. I'm liking this. So that's the watch face and the charging cable. That's what came in the box. We'll open quickly here just this trail loop that I got. So again, presentation, everything for Apple. We're going to get the same green little arrow stickies even on the band box. So go ahead, open that up. Again, very minimalistic. On the inside flap, you've got the instruction, just a quick setup for how to put your band into your watch, how to adjust it to fit your wrist. Okay, so we will slide this out, and here is trail loop. So it is Velcro. It is a Velcro material. But it's very much like neoprene. So I don't know, like I said, I just got this so I could get it in my hands, but I don't know if this would be my go-to band. As you can see, I have Apple Watch on right now, my 7. This is just kind of the sport, that plasticky silicone type base that a lot of the watches have. I probably would purchase one of these or get the dive band if I could. I like the orange color, but not bad of a band if you're just going to be kind of like what it says, trail loop, just maybe going hiking. You're active, but maybe not sweating a ton. I don't know the research behind this band, how well it will hold up against sweat or water, if it will stink after a while. You know, it's a problem with some of these materials is they'll stink. But here is the band, the trail loop. So let me know in the comments below, do you have the trail loop? Do you have the dive band? Which Apple Watch band do you have? What Apple Watch do you have? Do you have the Apple Watch Ultra 2? Are you sticking with the Apple Watch Ultra 1? Are you getting the S9 instead? If you're not in a rush to get a new watch, if you have the Ultra 1, this is really just a luxurious flex upgrade. I might make a video on the differences between the Apple Watch Ultra 1 and the Apple Watch Ultra 2 in a comparison video if it's something I think you should buy. But just off of price alone, and I'm coming from the 7, outside of the action button and some minor improvements from the Ultra 1 to the Ultra 2, for the price of $800, you might be better off getting the S9 or sticking with an older model if you have it. So that's just my opinion, but I'd like to know. Let me know what you guys think. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 2. Hopefully this video will help you at least just see what it looks like. You can still make the decision yourself, but give you just a little inside look of what's going to happen when you unbox one of these, and if you unbox it with the Alpine Loop. Right, so if you like this video, found it helpful, give your boy a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell. I definitely would appreciate and love to see you in another video. However, that is it for me today. Like always, be blessed, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.